Did you know? Pets might have a sixth sense, an uncanny ability to sense things beyond our understanding, especially when it comes to natural disasters. Many pet owners have reported their animals behaving strangely before events like earthquakes or thunderstorms. It makes you wonder, can they really predict them? Are they sensing something we can't? The truth is a bit complicated. While some believe it's a special ability, others think it's just heightened senses. Let's explore this fascinating question. We've all heard stories of dogs barking before an earthquake or cats hiding before a hurricane. Dogs barking before an earthquake. Their behavior changes. They become anxious and restless. Cats hiding before a hurricane. They seek shelter, often disappearing to safe, hidden spots. Is it a real sense or just coincidence? Are they reacting to environmental cues we overlook? Some people believe their pets have a special connection to nature, an ability to notice subtle changes in the environment. They notice subtle changes we miss, like shifts in barometric pressure or distant sounds. But is there real evidence? Scientists are still studying this phenomenon, trying to understand if there's a scientific basis for these behaviors. Whether it's a sixth sense or just keen observation, one thing is clear. Our pets are more in tune with the world around them than we might think. And that special bond we share with them makes us appreciate their unique abilities even more. Scientists are a little skeptical. Despite numerous anecdotes and stories from pet owners, the scientific community remains unconvinced about the idea that animals can predict earthquakes. The U.S. Geological Survey and the National Institutes of Health have conducted extensive research and say there's no concrete proof that animals have this predictive ability. They emphasize that while the stories are intriguing, they lack the rigorous evidence needed to be scientifically validated. While some pet owners report strange behavior in their animals before seismic events, experts aren't convinced. These behaviors can often be attributed to other factors, such as changes in the environment or the pet's health. Scientists think it's more likely that pets are reacting to subtle environmental changes that humans might not notice. For instance, animals have heightened senses that allow them to detect things beyond our perception. For example, dogs have an incredible sense of hearing and can detect sounds that are far beyond the range of human hearing. This might explain why they seem to react to something we can't hear. Additionally, dogs might be able to feel ground vibrations that occur before an earthquake, giving the impression that they are predicting the event. Cats, on the other hand, are known to be very sensitive to changes in air pressure. This sensitivity could cause them to behave unusually before a storm or an earthquake. So, while it's fascinating to think that our pets might have a sixth sense for natural disasters, the current scientific consensus is that we can't rely on them as earthquake detectors. It's always best to follow the guidelines and warnings provided by experts in the field. Even without scientific proof, stories persist. Many pet owners swear their furry friends sense danger. One owner reported their dog becoming agitated hours before a tornado. Another said their cat hid in an unusual spot before a flood. These stories are interesting but not conclusive. It's possible the pets were reacting to something else entirely. However, they remind us that animals are more in tune with their surroundings than we realize. Section 4. Prepare your furry friends. Whether or not pets can predict disasters, one thing is certain: their safety depends on us. We need to be prepared. The American Veterinary Medical Association, or AVMA, recommends a detailed evacuation plan. Include your pets. Practice it so everyone knows what to do. Have an emergency kit ready. Pack food, water, bowls, a can opener, blankets, a first aid kit, medications, a leash, and a muzzle. And don't forget their favorite toy. Be ready, be safe. It's essential to ensure that your pets always wear collars and tags with current identification. This simple step can make a huge difference if your pet ever gets lost. A collar with an ID tag provides immediate information to anyone who finds your pet, making it easier for them to contact you and reunite you with your furry friend. Microchipping is even better. It increases the chances of being reunited if you get separated. A microchip is a permanent form of identification that cannot be lost or removed. It's a tiny device about the size of a grain of rice implanted under your pet's skin. When scanned by a vet or animal shelter, it reveals a unique ID number linked to your contact information. Also, Keep vaccinations up to date to protect your pets from diseases. Have medical records handy. This is crucial for their health and for accessing pet-friendly shelters. In an emergency, having your pet's medical history, vaccination records, and any necessary medications readily available can save valuable time and ensure your pet receives the care they need. It's also helpful to have a recent photo of your pet in case you need to make lost pet posters. Remember, we may not have all the answers, but we can be responsible pet owners. Being a responsible pet owner means planning ahead and being prepared for any situation. It's about taking proactive steps to ensure the safety and well-being of your pets, whether it's a natural disaster, a sudden illness, or any other unexpected event. By being prepared, we can keep our furry friends safe no matter what happens. Create a pet emergency kit that includes food, water, medications, a first aid kit, and comfort items like toys or blankets. Practice emergency drills with your pets so they become familiar with the routine. This way, in the event of an actual emergency, both you and your pets will know what to do and can act quickly and calmly. If you find this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you have pet preparedness. Thanks for watching.